Today, I present these two questions that can be solved using the same method. This lesson is especially suitable for beginners. The tools that we use actually very simple. That is, the square of a plus b is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which I believe everyone will familiar with this, right? So after this, we also have square of a minus b. Square of a minus b equals to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. And when you add up together, we have a plus b squared plus a minus b squared equals to double of a squared and double of b squared. This is the equation that we are going to use to solve these two questions. You may pause the video and try on your own. Check the answer when you're done.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
For question 1, we are not going to expand this. Instead of this, consider square of 3 plus square 7 plus square of 3 minus square 7. So using the formula just now, this is A, this is B, A, B. So it turned out this is 2 of A squared plus B squared will be equal to 7. And we see that this is 9, 7, 16, so that will be equal to 32. So this means that the largest integer not exist this cannot be more than 32 or not more than 31. Will it be equal to 31? Yes, it is, but why is it so? We just look at this value here. Square root of 7 is about 2 point something, so 3 minus 2 point something will be positive and less than 1. Because this value is in between 0 and 1, after we squared it, 0 point something square is still positive, 0 point something square still less than 1. This value is equal to 32 minus 3 plus square root of 7 square. It is in between 0 and 1. So we know that 3 plus square root of 7 square, we know that square of this number will be in between 31 and 32. So it means that this value will be 31 point something. So the largest value not exceeding 31 point something will be equal to 31. And therefore the answer for this is equal to 31. This is how we apply this third equation to get the answer for 1 easily. After seeing this, pause a while again to try to use this third equation to get the answer for number 2. And check the answer after you have done.
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Okay, welcome back. For question 2, we want to find the maximum for this expression. We may let A to be equal to square root of x minus 144 and B equals to square root of 722 minus x. From this third equation, because this is always true that square of any real numbers is greater than or equal to 0. From this equation, we know that square of a plus b plus something that is always greater or equal to 0 equals to this value. It means that square of a plus b must be less than or equal to 2 of a squared plus b squared. If a, b are as such, this will be equal to 2 of a squared will be equal to x minus 144 and b squared will be equal to 722 minus x. X will cancel off and this is equals to 578. 578 itself is equal to 2 times 289 and this is equal to 2 square and 17 square. 17 square is 289. And therefore, a plus b will be less than equals to square root of this value, that is 2 times 17, that is 34. So with this equation, we know that the sum of A and B not more than 34. So the sum of this is not more than 34. So can we conclude that the answer is equal to 34? Not yet, because we may not able to reach the value 34. So for this, the equation holds if and only if. IFF meaning that if and only if. This is not English word, but only used in mathematics. Okay, now when can this be equal? If this is equal, then square of A minus B has to be equal to 0. And it means that A has to be equal to B. If A equals to B, then square of x minus 144 has to be equal to square of 722 minus x, which means that x minus 144 equals to 722 minus x, and x therefore equals to 433. Have to always check that whether the equality holds. So it will be good that we check when x equals to 433, sub in there, you should have the answer is equal to 34. So for this lesson, we demonstrate this simple looking equation can help us to solve something challenging, especially for beginner. This is end of the lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.